Today, we're swapping the battery on a Redmagic 5 seconds. Let's turn the phone off. Heat up the back cover by the PolarTech Magic self-heating pad for around 10 minutes to loosen that glue. Here's toolkit we'll be using for the job today. Grab a thin blade and carefully make a small gap. Drip a bit of alcohol into the gap to help soften the adhesive. Once the gap's a bit bigger, slide a plastic card all the way around. Be extra careful here, there's a flex cable underneath, so don't go too deep. The back cover is glass, so take it slow to avoid breaking it. If it feels stuck, just add more alcohol and keep going. Here's that flex cable for the back cover lights. Make sure you don't damage it. Nice! The back cover's off cleanly. Now, let's take out upside the screws. Remember, there are two short ones, don't mix them up. Gently lift up the motherboard shield with a pry tool. Unplug the two battery connectors here. Once that's done, you can fully remove the back cover. Now disconnect the other connectors one by one. To get to the last one, you'll need to remove the small board shield. Here's the heat sink, which keeps things cool inside. Drip some alcohol along the sides of the battery to loosen the glue. Use a plastic spudger to carefully lift the battery from the side. Important, don't poke or bend the battery, it can catch fire. Still stuck? Add a bit more alcohol and give it a minute. And there we go, the old battery's out. Here's our new original battery, ready to drop in. Pop it into place, the adhesive is strong enough to hold it. Reconnect all the connectors carefully, one by one. The small board shield helps keep the battery connector secure. Reinstall the small board shield. Don't forget to reconnect the back cover flex cable. Put the motherboard shield back and screw everything down. Snap the back cover back on. Let's power it on and test it out. Looks good. The battery replacement is a success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.